Welcome to E1011 Labs. Today we have something special lined up, the Iven Dry Herb Vaporizer. Before we dive into how to use the Iven, let's go over what's included in the box. Your Iven device comes with everything you need to keep it charged and clean. This includes a Type-C charger, a dual-ended cleaning device, and alcohol-soaked cotton swabs. You'll also find an extra screen for the heating chamber and an additional silicone mouthpiece. Step 1. Let's get started by preparing your material for the Iven. The key is to use finely ground flour. We're aiming for a sublime experience. For the Iven, finer flour means more surface area available to be heated, giving you the most out of your chosen flour or herb. Step 2. Remove the base cap at the bottom of the device to reveal the hidden convection-powered heating chamber, where all the magic happens. Step 3. Hold the Iven with the mouthpiece pointing down. We don't want any surprise spills. Pack your material up to the top of the shiny silver heating chamber, but don't overdo it. Just like this. Now that your device is properly filled, you're almost ready. Before we reveal how to get the Iven hot and ready, let's go over the 4 precision temperature settings. Yellow. The yellow light indicates the lowest temperature setting of 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 182.2 degrees centigrade. This setting produces the least vapor but full of flavor as the terpenes hit your taste buds. Green. The green light indicates a temperature setting of 390 degrees Fahrenheit or 198.8 degrees centigrade, ideal for a delicate balance between vapor and flavor. Blue. The blue light indicates a temperature setting of 410 degrees Fahrenheit or 210 degrees centigrade, creating larger clouds of vapor but with a less strong flavor profile. Red. Last but not least, the red setting. The red light indicates the highest temperature setting of 440 degrees Fahrenheit or 226.6 degrees centigrade. This setting produces massive clouds of vapor, but may leave you wanting more flavor since terpenes quickly dissipate at this heat level. To adjust the temperature, press the power button once and watch as the Iven lights up with your chosen voltage setting. Step 4. It's time to start. To get the Iven going, press and hold the power button for 5 seconds. Be quick as you only have a 5-second window to select your voltage setting before the device heats up. If you don't make a choice, the Iven will give you a little buzz as the light begins to pulsate and heats up with the current setting. Step 5. Iven is quite polite. It'll give you 2 friendly vibrations and keep the voltage light solid to let you know it's reached the perfect temperature. The duration of your session depends on the voltage setting. Choose the yellow, green, or blue for a smooth 3-minute session, or the red for a quick 2-minute session. Step 6. Iven knows how to say goodbye in style. It'll give you 2 dramatic vibrations and turn off automatically. Step 7. After your sublime session, it's time for another. Remove the base cap and use the dual-ended tool to clean your device. The blunt end easily removes the used material from the heating chamber, while the brush helps with any stubborn pieces. For a deep clean, remove the base cap and silicone mouthpiece and soak them in isopropyl alcohol. Once clean, they're ready for another round. To check the battery status, press and hold the power button for a couple of seconds. Green means you're good with more than 75%. Blue is 30 to 70%. And red is a gentle reminder to recharge. When it's time to recharge, remove the rubber covering on the power button and use the provided Type-C charger. Iven will show you a red light while it's charging. When it's ready, you'll get a green light. So there you have it, folks. The Iven Dry Herb Vaporizer, your ticket to a seriously chill time. Remember, the real fun is in the details. Until next time, happy vaping, and may your herb always be finely ground.